this is all about?
Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Morgan Sierra and I'm back with another video. Happy Vlogmas. So yeah, if you do notice, I'm outside right now, and I'm outside because my best friend wanted to do like a little bonfire. She just made like an impulsive decision to go to Walmart and buy a whole little setup, and you know, we outside, so it's real cute. You know, she really did it, whatever. So yeah, right now we're just about to chill out here, and then I'm probably gonna make us some hot cocoa, even though it's really not that cold out here, but why not? I mean, it's the holiday season. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just show y'all a little bit of everything. I'm probably just gonna do like a little montage here and there, and then if anything, I'll just pull out the camera or whatever. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also comment what you want to see next, if you have any specific videos you want to see during Vlogmas. And yeah, let's just get into the video. Let's get into this beat. It's been on all day, so I'm a little oily, but yeah.
I think there must be something wrong with me, Linus. Christmas is coming, but I'm not happy. I don't feel the way I'm supposed to feel.
Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special.
Alright y'all, so I got my ears. I had to get in the vibe, in the spirit. Y'all look at Chloe. We was really out here vibing. I just made hot cocoa for me and my best.
up on my own. I can't blame it all. Listen, part of building trust from a distance. I think.
All right, bestie, so it's like a few hours later. If I didn't explain it well in my intro, basically my best friend wanted to do like a little bonfire at the house, so she went to the store and she bought everything that she needed, and she just created a vibe. It was real easy to set up. She said I didn't get that on footage because she was rushing and I was in here just being lazy, I think. Or was I doing the intro? I don't know. But anyway, so yeah, I didn't really get to film as much outside because we was playing music. We was vibing to that Summer Walker. So yeah, y'all, she said that she got everything at Walmart. So if you do want to like set like a little bonfire up or whatever, go to Walmart, and then they should have like the little fire things. It comes with the wood and stuff, or I think you buy the wood separately, but it wasn't that expensive. So if you want to just like create a little vibe at your house, you can do that. It was real easy. It was like really simple, so it was real fun. And then I had made us some hot chocolate. I might insert that footage if it was like right, because baby, I don't know what I was doing. I ain't had nobody to hold the camera for me, so I was struggling a little bit. But yeah, we was just out there getting a little lit. I couldn't get everything on camera. If you know, you know. But yeah, we was listening to some Summer Walker, some Drake, some Slow Young Boy. So it was a 10 out of 10 for me. It was a vibe. Yeah, it got a little chilly towards the end, but I got on my cardigan sweater. This was from my Thanksgiving haul. If you haven't seen that, go take a look at that. But yeah, everything is linked in that video as well. But yeah, you know, your girl's out there cozied up with my little slippers on. But I wish I could have recorded out there, y'all. Like, I wish YouTube did not monetize people for music. Like, yeah, it was real vibey. Chloe was out there chilling, so yeah. But I just wanted to come talk to y'all real quick before I close out this video, because baby, I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but it is Vlogmas, so shorter videos are expected. But next time we're gonna do it again. We're gonna get like some wine and stuff, so I'll probably do like a little part 2 vloggy vlog, and I'll probably just try to show y'all more of like setting it up, because I didn't really get to get all of that because it was just like spontaneous last minute type stuff. So yeah, but some wine would have been good. But we was good though. We was good. We had a little hot cocoa, and you know, we was out there chilling. So yeah, I hope y'all are enjoying Vlogmas so far. If you want to see like a specific video, just leave me a comment and I'll see if I can do that for y'all. You know, I got you all or whatever. You know, just don't request nothing too crazy. But yeah, so far so good. Vlogmas has been fun. Make sure you go check out my previous Vlogmas videos so you can make sure that you're all caught up, because baby, period. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because your girl is trying to get these subscribers up. Y'all know I got a goal, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button and help your girl out. But yeah, honestly, I'm just about to chill for the rest of the night. It's Vlogmas, obvious, so a lot of my faves are posting, so I'm probably just about to catch up on some Vlogmas videos. I'm probably about to watch Aaliyah J right now. She just posted, well, she posted today, so I might go check her out and just catch up on any like Vlogmas videos, because I really didn't watch much today, but I did watch like a few. So yeah, that's pretty much the vibes for the rest of the night. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, I really ain't got nothing for y'all, like. But yeah, y'all, my makeup is really oily because I did do my makeup today earlier. I filmed a video, and this makeup been on since like 10 in the morning, so I look a little crazy, but it's okay, y'all. But yeah, I'm not gonna sit here and talk y'all heads off. I'm about to just chill for the night. You know, I'm just in a relaxing mood, which I needed that, because it's just been a lot going on up here, so today was real chill. I needed that. But anyway, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Also, watch my previous Vlogmas videos so you can make sure that you're caught up. And again, if you want to see any videos, just leave it down in the comments below. Besties, I hope y'all have a safe rest of y'all day, and I'll see y'all in tomorrow's video. Good night, besties. sorry for the short video.